Dear partners, investors, I am pleased to welcome you to our weekly cryptocurrency market review. And we recently celebrated our 5th anniversary on our March 17th. In honor of this anniversary, we offered our investors the opportunity to multiply their capital with our strategy at 100% per annum. And successfully, all 100 participants fully filled our pool. Therefore, congratulations to you, and let's wish ourselves even more success in the future. And now let's proceed to the market review. We start today's review with Ethereum. Monthly time frame. We had the month closed, the monthly candle closed. And I'll say more, we have the quarterly candle closed. That is, the quarterly candle is closed. And let's add a bit of analysis here, but starting from the 3-month time frame. Based on the 3-month time frame, we can only see that there is a large red candle from the previous 3-month bar. But this 3-month candle doesn't indicate anything yet. You can take a look, so to speak, with an unprofessional eye and think that such a large candle will continue to fall downwards. But let's analyze it in more detail. Here, there is also a large red candle, but as you can see, the fall did not occur. And on the contrary, the asset grew by approximately 400%. So this candle, yes, there were large sales, but it could just be manipulation. Let's analyze it in more detail. So, the monthly time frame. In principle, it has settled, we can say, above the level, because the level for Ethereum here is quite good. I would say it is somewhere, well, it would be good to settle above $2,000, or ideally above 200. This consolidation did not happen. We have the next sort of low of the current level, the current range. Yes, it's approximately $1,950. The candle, as you can see, is a 3-month one. It did not close. Yes, I don't see consolidation here. Higher, higher, higher above this level. Let's open the chart and we can see here that indeed the monthly candle settled below the current level. What does this indicate? It suggests that there might be a further continuation of the decline. But if we take a 3-month period, yes, and here we see quite a large candle. There's not much, sort of, and we stroll down. Yes, that is from about 1,000 to approximately 70,000. $70, yes, and Ethereum strolled to about $900, which is only slightly, somewhere around 15%, yes. So accordingly, it might be the same here, since we have a large enough trading range here, and we have a maximally important value. This is still from 2018 year at these marks, meaning it's a mega strong level. Yes, you could even say a mega strong level on Ethereum. It is approximately located here. Of course, it's not a single price. It's important to understand that it's a trading range. Accordingly, this price can fluctuate within this range from about $2,000, possibly even helicopters. I do not rule out that something like this might start in the market. The so-called helicopters when there are large candlestick bodies. But overall, a positive dynamic, a positive trend. The market trend is there, and it is clearly visible here. Here, the most important thing is the levels and reversal. It is expected to grow, as here on the weekly time frame, crypto is reaching peaks with a small double bottom drawn. Yes, it can also work up to even $2,300 somewhere in these ranges. That is, the expected trading range for this approximately 3-month period is from $2,600. From $2,600, approximately $700 up to $1,200, $1,100. Sharp movements are possible. But it might not even go below $1,500. What does this indicate? It indicates that the market is currently in such an oversold period, I would say, yes, and a very quick reversal is possible. And then move towards the figures we talked about, which are 15,000-20,000 USDT for one Ethereum in this growth cycle. However, there might be position building, wicks, sharp slippages. Therefore, if you suddenly see, it can be bought back. We, of course, have set up a grid of orders in advance and are waiting for these declines. If they don't happen, it's not a big deal. We will observe, update the information, and act more promptly. But overall, a large number of players are being shaken out right now. Many do not understand what is happening with the market at the moment. It seems like there should be a bull run, but only Bitcoin has grown. It seems like Ethereum hasn't grown much. And now it's falling to the levels of 2021. VOVA. After all, February 2021 year, is falling to even older levels of 2022. Therefore, many investors are now confused, but the economy of the stock market is starting to shake properly. And as we know, much has already been prepared to transition from the stock market from traditional directions to the digital direction. Accordingly, it could be very quick. A turnaround. Crypto is such a place where changes can happen just from one piece of news. In 1 second, there can be a quick change, a sell-off, and a quick buyback, and the price will continue to soar upwards. Therefore, this range that I have now indicated is approximately here. We see it as a good entry point for long-term buying. And of course, from the current levels, that's 10-15 times, without multiplying Ethereum within our fund, approximately 50% per annum. That's the analysis on Ethereum. In addition to this, of course, I want to emphasize that we have the Ethereum to Bitcoin chart, and it is extremely oversold. The 3-month candle closed basically here at the level, so perhaps a few more months of formation here, and then the movement will go upwards. Here, the RSI is extremely oversold. I also see a formation similar to this. Maybe it's 1, 2, 3. Well, 1, unlikely. Most likely it's approximately 2 to 3 months. Even from 1 to 3 months, the formation will approximately take place at this lower boundary where the so-called reversal will occur. A reversal is impossible to predict. It's impossible to say it will 100% happen here. But with such parts, by averaging the position, you can find a good entry point. And this good entry point, it is already approximately close. And the price movement is possible, thereby 30-20%, but very sharply. That's my analysis on Ethereum. Now let's analyze Bitcoin. We'll also look at its 3-month time frame, but on the Bitfinex exchange. So the Bitfinex exchange. We have a 3-month time frame, a portal time frame. We see that there were no entries beyond the level here. Just simple trading, well, it was dumped. Here is the volume on the quarterly time frame, on the quarterly candle, but they didn't even reach the test of $60,000. I generally believe that ideally I see a move to at least $60,000. Again, position accumulation and further growth. That is similar to Ethereum. The range showed buying, and here for Bitcoin, it's approximately in the area up to $60,000 and in the range up to $100,000. So for this quarter, over these 3 months, there could be movements up to $100,000 and down to $60,000. In other words, the quarter promises to be very, very volatile. And then we'll see, and of course, we'll look at BNB CAR to USDT and BNB to Bitcoin. On the 3-month time frame, on the quarterly period, we see here that there was also consolidation. Above the level, yes, the level can be considered approximately 570 USDT for one Binance coin. Next, the monthly time frame also closed higher. Accordingly, ranges are possible up to $500. This is a buying point, I believe, for Binance coin. So all the prerequisites for a value of 2,000 and even possibly 2,200 are there for BNB, for Binance coin. All right, let's look at BNB against Bitcoin. The 3-month time frame looks quite vigorous. They are buying back. The candles well, as they made a big buyback. Here, a buyback. Here, a buyback. Here, and of course a buyback. Here. Let's see in what percentage ratio. They bought back about 30%. Here they bought back about 40%. And here they bought back about 20%, but there was no growth, which indicates something. I think that here, there's no need to even talk about it. That's why we have such thoughts about the market. To sum up, there is currently a formation of position accumulation with a further growth perspective. But right now, in the current time frame, it's an ideal time for short-term purchases and good profits. That is, if you know, for example, the previous years, especially after 2021, you buy crypto, you buy Ethereum, other coins, they all stand together or they made 50 or 100% and then roll back. So there was a long period of position formation. Now these positions are already large, starting to move over a long period of time. And there is simply a corrective movement in the market which would be good to buy back. At least that's exactly what we will be doing. Thank you for today's episode. Please give this video a comment, thumbs up, and thank you for your attention. Thank you for being with us. Stay in touch and goodbye.